Hi there, welcome to Wyckoff technical analysis session for Bitcoin Cash. And before we start, if you're new to my sessions, these are the 3 key takeaways you can expect from my sessions. So let's start with the weekly chart of Bitcoin Cash. So basically, according to the Wyckoff method, Bitcoin Cash is at a period after the last point of supply, and there was a sign of weakness just 2 weeks back, and we are retesting the same level, the orange key level of $450. As of now, it seems like it's staying above it, around where the previous PSY period finds support. We'll get to that in more detail when we look at the daily chart. So this percentage, the probability of getting into the early stage of an accumulation continues, while there still remain a slight chance for it to go past the yellow key level and maybe the white to show us this second test or upthrust of the distribution. So when we get to the daily chart, we can quickly see that the price, even though it stays above this blue dashed line, that's the support line extended from the previous PSY preliminary supply support level, and also the last point of supply, as well as the PSY of the previous distribution cycle back in December, January, like 2004, 2005. So almost 1 year ago. Now, the price continues to travel within this downtrend. This white box we can take away because previously there was an uptrend within this blue box, and we say if that's going to continue, that would change the chance of the second test appearing. But obviously, once the price reached the ceiling and traveled towards the right hand side of this uptrend, it fell on Monday, and that confirms that this uptrend will no longer continue. So this blue box can be removed as well. This was actually the previous downtrend, and after October 26th, we noticed that the downtrend may be more gradual than the initial observation. So we adjusted course to this light blue one. So this darker blue can be removed. Basically, this is the channel box or the air hockey table that I always mention, because the price tends to bounce between the boundaries. And also there should be a center line over here that you see the price would tend to bounce off from there as well some of the times. Okay, so that's how these channel box or air hockey table works. Now, what's next can be, because we've already over the past 2 to 3 weeks, this may just be another last point of supply before it really officially gets into the preliminary support period. So let's take a look at the left. That was the period of accumulation back in February all the way to April, just this year. All right. So that's where it's got a higher chance to get back to that particular area around the 380 red key level. So that's a quick update of Bitcoin Cash. Thanks for joining.